Hello everyone. In this session we are going to discuss about flag register of 8085 microprocessor. So first let us know what is a flag register. Flag register is the size of the flag register in 8085 microprocessor is 8 bit. It is 8 bit size and it has 5 flags. And always the flag register holds the status of the current result processed by arithmetic and logical unit. So as you see, the 5 flags are sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag and carry flag. So first about the sign flag. So sign flag will be equal to 1 when after any operation if the MSB of the result, so usually the result will be in the accumulator, so when the MSB of the result is equal to 1, then the sign flag will be equal to 1. Next, zero flag. The zero flag will be equal to 1 when the result is 0, that is when the result is 00H. And next, auxiliary carry. Auxiliary carry is used when we are dealing with the BCD operations. So auxiliary carry will be equal to 1 when there is a carry from the lower nibble to higher nibble. Next, about the parity flag. The parity flag will be equal to 1 if the number of ones in result which is stored in accumulator is equal to even. When the number of ones are even, then parity flag will be equal to 1. Next, carry flag. So during your arithmetic and logical operation, if there is any carry involved, then the carry flag will be equal to 1. Let us understand the same thing with an example. So for example, AA plus DD. A, as you know, 1010, 1010 and D is 1101, 1101. It is your BCD representation. So when you add these two numbers, so 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0. So again 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 plus 1, 1 0, again 1 0 and now 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is 1 1. Now this becomes the carry. Now let us see the status of the flags. So we have carry, 0, auxiliary carry, sign and parity. So first carry. So carry was generated. So Cy is equal to 1. 0. Is the result equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So 0 flag will be equal to 1. And coming to the auxiliary carry. 4 bits we say it as 1 nibble. So this is your lower nibble, this is your upper nibble. This is your lower nibble, upper nibble. When there is a carry from the lower nibble to upper nibble, we say that AC is equal to 1, auxiliary carry is equal to 1. So here there is a carry from here to here. So AC is equal to 1. Sign. So the MSB of the result. So this is what is your MSB. MSB of the result is equal to 1. Then your sign flag is equal to 1. Next, parity. How many bits are there? How many bits are 1? How many bits are 1 in the result? 1, 2, 3, 4. So even number. So parity is equal to 1 because it is an even number, parity is equal to 1. So this is how the flags are set or reset, means 1 or 0, and this is done after the manipulation, after the operation or process done in the arithmetic and logic unit. Purely depends upon the result of the operation. Thank you all.